Well, here we are in the shop breaking down. How wide is this thing? Right here, 26 inches. I think at the fattest part we're near 29 and a half, almost 30-inch slab. Breaking it down for a countertop. But here goes nothing. Black walnut. Shit is super hard. Super hard piece of wood.
Here, let's move this so we don't cut it.
There you go. There's a chunk of it. There you go. Cool. That almost filled the dust bag. Well, now we have a straight edge. Pretty doggone straight. Pretty straight. Straight. So now, we'll clear this off, clean this off, we'll run it through the table saw. And make some boards. Cool. This is quite an undertaking when you only have the tools and facilities that we have. Weight loss program. I'm going to add my microphone here just because I'm away from the phone. Makes it a little difficult. There we go. And look at that, we're already hooked up. Cool. Get my holder out here. So now, there we go. So now we need to figure out how many pieces can we make out of this before we hit something funky. 17, 17 inches. Back here we have 15, so we could make, we're going to take and we're just going to cut this. We're going to make, I think we're going to make some 5-inch, make some 6-inch wide pieces. How about that? We have the freedom here to kind of do whatever we want. We're not bound by anything here other than our own creativity. So I'm just going to go 6 wide. And I'm always going to measure my table saw, my fence, because you just never know. And that is at 6 on the money, 6 on the money. All right. So we're going to run this monster slab through here, make us a couple pieces. Then we're going to take the other slab we have, make a couple pieces. I know. People say, why do you have a riving knife on there? Why don't you take the riving knife off? It'd make it so much easier. Because no, I like using it. I do. So that's why we're going to use it. We literally do not have enough room in here at any given time during the day. Makes it very difficult. Okay, rip cut blade on there. There we go. There we go. Watch your ears. Raise the blade up a little bit. In this case, the riving knife has stopped us from moving any further because it is stuck on that knife. So we're gonna have to remove that. Go ahead, I got it. I got the slab. You go ahead and get the, watch that blade, it's gonna be warm. Take the riving knife out. Let's see if it helps. Let's see if that helps. I like using a riving knife, I really do, especially in cutting smaller trim boards, plywood, things of that nature. But in this case, this wood is so strong that it has its mind made up that it's not going to allow that. You hold that for a second. Got it? So we're going to try it again. Okay. Huh? We got a few. We got a few. Makes a hell of a stink, doesn't it? Boy, that may be the toughest wood I've ever. Well, I'd say that because I just cut it. That mahogany was harder. Toughest wood I cut today. You're right. That's for damn sure. So, if we take and lay that out on here, what do we have? Oh, wow. Got a little chunk out right there. Wow, we're actually pretty close. Bring that this way, flip that one over and put it that way. Well, we may just end up cutting that one off at the break. This one too. This one might make a perfect backsplash. We could probably rip that one down and make a backsplash out of it. Huh. You got a hell of a bone in it at the end over there. Oh, we're gonna fix that. Now we need to get the other one back here and do the same thing. I wonder if we could actually take out of that one, if we can make the end pieces. Well, we're still short. We're still short here. We need a board to come. Oh, that one's got a hell of, look at that. Wow, it's fixable. We'll run that through the, you can almost run that through the planer. You almost run that through the planer.
Could, but the end's gonna hold up. They got a ton of material right here.
Yeah. This one's pretty much.
Cut that end off and then run it through the planer and go.
I think it'll blow this up here. It ended up having it, but I think we can cut that down. We could almost get a nice piece out of it for the backsplash if we go 4-inch backsplash. This is the fun part, the creativity of what we're gonna do next. What is happening next? This piece here. This piece here looks like we're gonna have to. Well, this side looks better than that side. Let's take this over to the saw over here and cut a piece off of it. Let's see where we're gonna cut it. Looks like we're gonna give it right about there. It's about right. And then this one is going to have to come off right there. That one just fell apart when I picked it up. So there's a perfect board right there. If we had another one just like that, we can make the front edge of the countertop. This one is just that one ain't gonna make nothing. That piece might make a, these might make something. Let's not throw those away. Let's not discount those yet. This one, however, is pretty much styrofoam falling apart right off the bat. So now, we need to make a couple more pieces out of this one. So if we can get a nice piece to finish this out of here, then it does its job. It'll do its job. Oh, I need to go on a weight loss program here so I can get past the damn table. I think if we cut that right about there, that bag is full already. Huh? You gonna save it? Probably. Okay. There we go. We're gonna break down the rest of this slab here. See what happens. think we got a couple perfect pieces. This one. This one and this one. They're not cut square on the ends yet, so if we take this one and put it here, then we just need 2 end pieces and this piece. Boy, it's smoky in here. Have not turned the fan on in a while. I think today is the day that we unlock the window and turn the fan on, or at least open the window. Blow some of the smoke out of here. That shit's nasty. Are we gonna save this piece?
Oh, yeah.
Looks like it. We're gonna make something out of it, ain't we? It's probably $100 piece of freaking $100 piece of walnut right there. What?
Gnarly splinter.
Right. Right. So if we take and put that there, we just fill in and make the backsplash. Fill in here, there. Joint these all together, glue them.
We're gonna just rip the other slab into boards too.
Only what we need.
Like about half of it, maybe.
Only what we need. But I think if we joint this together and glue it, put it to the table, and just, if we biscuit it, put it on the table.
Clamp it everywhere.
Huh?
Clamp it everywhere.
Clamp it everywhere we can. And then the backsplash will make to go stand up. 'Cause it looks like we've got plenty of clearance.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm thinking so. And then we just take and put it on the router sled. What do you think? Stinks in here is what I think.
Yeah.
So we have another slab we went and bought this morning. I hope this is working. I'm not looking at the camera. But here's what we have right now is we have this. So we need to create a backsplash that fits in there. And then we need to fill in those couple little voids. Cut everything off at the ends. Make sure we have the size we need. And then we will glue it all up. Set it up in the router sled we're gonna put back on this table. That was a hell of a cut for this blade. That thing was smoking. I don't even know if that blade's any good anymore. Probably just chewed the teeth right off of that thing. But I guess we'll find out when we make our next cut, huh? So for now,